Cha-ching!
We went to Value Village and got this little camera for $5.99. It's a Konica Z Up 70 Super. I haven't done much research on this camera, but it zooms 35 to 70. It's fully automatic. It has a date stamp on it, and it looks pretty nifty. Believe it or not, there's no corrosion in the battery. Make sure you check that when you buy cameras at the thrift store. And it goes for about $40 or $50 on eBay, I think. Don't quote me on that. It could be more or less, but we got it for way less than that, so who cares? Busting out the Kodak Gold 200 today. I like this film a lot, mostly because I got it for free. I'm changing the contest up a little bit, so all the details will be down below, but basically you're gonna have more opportunity for more entries based on certain actions that you can complete. So if you would prefer it that way, which I know a lot of you would because a lot of you want more entries, then I think it'll work out quite nicely for everybody. Let's get shooting before it starts raining even more. I don't have a rain cover and I don't like getting wet. So come along.
There's something prodding my ass. She's persistent.
That shoot went really well. Thank you, my friend. I appreciate it. So this camera was actually really good, I think. I enjoyed it. It's nice pocket. You can, if you're going on a trip, you can just take it with you. The one thing that I didn't really understand was it gave me 26 frames. I know my roll has 24. So either I didn't push the tab far enough in, but it's automatic. Like I didn't need to like push the film forward. It does it all by itself. Maybe I still should have put it further in. I'm not sure. Like I said, I'm new to this still. I've only been shooting film since like April, since this started, but now I want to get into it and I want to like help anybody who's looking to get into film. I've been on all 35mm. I want to graduate to a different format like 120 or whatever. I just need to learn a bit more, and I think I will learn how to develop film so I don't need to drive an hour out of my way to have the film developed, and I don't need to wait, so the turnaround will be a lot quicker. But I'll obviously teach all you how to do that if I learn how to do that. Like I said, the giveaway will be in the description. You have a week to enter, so make sure you get as many entries as you can. For those of you who are new, subscribe. For those of you who aren't new, subscribe. Wednesday podcast, Friday value shooters. Maybe if I have a spur of the moment idea for a video, then I'll upload a third during the week. But we'll see. Time will tell. This is the Konica Z Up 70 Super. It was super, and I can't wait for one of you to have it and shoot with it. Have yourself a wonderful week, and we'll see you next. We'll see you next week. We'll see you in the next. Okay. Goodbye.